Hello, first graders. Today is the day where we get to take the sentences that we planned yesterday and draft our opinion writing. So we know that this week we are writing about one of the characters from our story, The Kite. Did you choose to write about Toad or Frog or the Robins? Is the character that you chose helpful, smart, or unkind? What evidence from the text did you use to support your opinion? Take those sentences that you planned yesterday and use a blank sheet of paper or the writing sheet to draft your sentences. As you write, think about how you can make your writing more exciting by using vivid verbs, specific adjectives, and describing nouns. Have fun, super writers. I'll see you next time.